How to fix Discord CPU usage on Discord, of course. Today, guys, I will share with you and teach you how to solve this problem. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone. Wait. And then go directly to apps or applications. Here you will find all the applications that you have on your phone. You will search now just for Discord. When you found Discord, go to storage. On storage, go to clear data, click OK, and go back and click on for stop and click OK. And the last thing is to go into Play Store and updating your Discord again. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Do not forget to like it and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.